Food has always played a significant role in religious and cultural traditions, often intertwined with moral values and ethical considerations. In the Bible, Romans 14 verses 20 to 21 touches upon the moral dilemma surrounding eating habits and the impact they have on Christian ethics. This passage delves into the notion of causing one another to stumble through our dietary choices, shedding light on the responsibility believers carry when it comes to their food preferences. The moral dilemma, biblical eating habits in Romans 14 verses 20 to 21. Romans 14 verses 20 to 21 states, "Do not destroy the work of God for the sake of food. All food is clean, but it is wrong for a person to eat anything that causes someone else to stumble. It is better not to eat meat or drink wine or to do anything else that will cause your brother or sister to fall." This passage addresses the moral predicament believers face regarding their eating habits. While it emphasizes that all food is considered clean, it warns against partaking in certain foods that may lead others astray or compromise their faith. The context of this passage is crucial in understanding the moral dilemma at hand. In ancient Rome, believers came from diverse backgrounds, some of whom had converted from Judaism and were accustomed to strict dietary laws. Others, coming from pagan backgrounds, were less concerned about these dietary restrictions. This created tension within the Christian community, as some believers considered certain foods as impure or idolatrous. The passage in Romans, then, encourages believers to prioritize love and unity over personal food choices that may cause their fellow believers to stumble. Unveiling the impact of food choices in Christian ethics. The passage in Romans 14 verses 20 to 21 sheds light on the importance of considering the impact of our food choices on others. It reminds believers that their actions can have a profound effect on fellow believers, either strengthening or weakening their faith. Christian ethics, therefore, call for a thoughtful and compassionate approach to eating habits. It challenges believers to be mindful of the potential stumbling blocks their food choices may pose for others, seeking to promote unity and a flourishing community of believers. Moreover, this passage encourages believers to prioritize the spiritual well-being of their brothers and sisters over personal preferences. It highlights the significance of love, selflessness, and empathy when it comes to making dietary decisions. This teaching resonates with the broader Christian principle of considering others' needs and putting the welfare of the community above individual desires. Ultimately, it prompts believers to reflect on their actions and actively participate in building a harmonious and inclusive Christian community. Romans 14 verses 20 to 21 brings to light the moral dilemma surrounding biblical eating habits. It challenges believers to consider the impact of their food choices on their fellow believers, emphasizing the importance of unity and love within the Christian community. Christian ethics, as revealed in this passage, call for a thoughtful and compassionate approach to eating habits, prioritizing the spiritual well-being of others over personal preferences. By unveiling the moral implications of food choices, this passage encourages believers to foster a sense of community and create an environment where all can grow in faith.